It's not easy to decide how much UV resistance you need, or even how to determine what products are UV resistant and how UV resistant. In other product characteristics, there are established ASTM tests, for example, E96 for vapor transmission. There's really no argument on how we should measure thermal resistance across certain insulation systems. We have standard protocols and procedures, ASTM, for measuring the air leakage across building materials or building assemblies. But we really have nothing with respect to UV performance. If you look at many manufacturers' data sheets, the information is rather lacking. Product should be covered up to 180 or 150 days. But where? And what test procedure was that related to? With selecting materials in terms of their UV ultraviolet light resistance, I've become a very conservative person as I've gotten older. I try to cover materials up as quickly as possible. My target is typically 60 to 90 days, and it'd be sure nice if we could only build in the winter at night.